Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's day 11 of the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And today's sketch is brought to you by Kathy Price. Great sketch. Really, really like it. So I think I've picked out some nice things to go with it. So fingers crossed, that's a thumbs up. No, fingers crossed that I can do the sketch justice. So what am I using? Well, first of all, these are the photos I'm scrapping. This was a day out to a rainforest walk and a great big raised cantilever over the rainforest that we went one day for my daughter's birthday. That was her choice of outing. And the papers I'm using is, I actually don't know what this one is. I've used it before in another page for the 30 days, but it's got no branding strip on it, so I must have cut it off. But I don't know. It could be Kaiser Craft. I don't know what it is. But anyway, that's going to be my base page. And then on the sketch, Kathy has what looks like torn off bits on the sides. So that's going to be my side pieces, hopefully. I have brown cardstock just to mount the photos on. And then I have a mixture of embellishments. So I've got a couple of orange things that I can tuck under photos to match the orange on the flower because I want to try and use this partial frame. And I have another frame that I plan on putting on one of the photos, and I don't know whether to colour it or just leave it natural. I have a green to tie in the green of the paper. It's just a little bit to tuck under somewhere, and some green die cut leaves just to bring in a bit of the greenery because we were in a rainforest, so there's leaves for that. And then just some brown embellishments to bring in a little bit of the brown tones that I've got backing the photo. Whoops. They're all slightly different browns, but we'll try and make them work. And I'm just going to add the green enamel dots to finish this green off in this packet. Maybe some of the bone ones, I don't know, we'll see. And I've got 2 sticker sheets. So the collection I'm using, well, partial collection because I have used it a fair bit, is This and That by Echo Park, and I don't know if there's a date on it. I'm looking at the front sheet and there's no date, so unless there's one on here. No, doesn't matter. But yeah, I've used this one quite a bit, but there's still icons on here that I can use and headings and things. This is going to be my title, Together is the Best Place to Be. And then the cut apart sheet, I may use some of these for tucking again under the photos. This one I probably won't use because it doesn't really suit the theme. It's all like candies and market type stuff, so that isn't going to work. And the rest of it I've just got left over from when I've used this kit before. Probably won't use it, but I've still got it in case I need it for something. Okay, so let's get this page started. there's my completed page. They came together quite quickly. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I did manage to get the frames on. One of them's crooked. I think it's this one, or the photo's crooked or something. Wouldn't be one of my pages if there was nothing crooked. This, I noticed when I started cutting it that it was actually printed crooked. The remember that is printed crooked on the tag, but I went, oh, doesn't matter. Too late now. I wanted to use it, so I did. It matches the crooked photo and the crooked frame. Oh dear. There we go. It matches the sketch. Oh, I could put a couple of tags in there, couldn't I? Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just quickly do that. Let's put this one in. Is that going to be too stark? Oh, maybe. What else have we got? Could I use another one of them? Wait, I've got that one. Cut that one off. Put that one on. Or I could tuck this green under there. Cut that off a little and tuck that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, while I'm just about finished, let's just modify it a little bit, because I just realised that Kathy has tags at the top of there, and I do have quite a bit of space there. So let's fill it. Alright, so just chopping this up a little bit, because there's no way that's tucking under there. Now I've got the dimensionals there. We shall just pop that there. And then this one we're going to cut off about here. And we'll see if that's going to sit over the top of that one. And is that too tall? A little. Chop a bit more off. Wish I had left another green enamel dot now to put on here, but anyway. And there we have 2 tags. Yeah, that's better. I gotta find something to put on there now. I'll find another green enamel dot and add that later. But anyway, there is the finished page. Looks just like the sketch. If you like this page and like this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that bell so you know when my next video comes out. And make sure that you watch a playlist that's listed below so you can see what everyone else creates with all these amazing sketches and the amazing layouts that they're all doing. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.